Hey wonderful people, and welcome back. Today, let's look at the 3 top things that YouTube could do to be better. So I've been on YouTube for 4 or 5 years now, and there's 3 things that really frustrate me about YouTube, which they could so easily fix. So this is aimed at you, YouTube, and people who work there. Suggestion number 1. Let us update films using the same URL. Let me explain. So you've posted a film and viewers are watching it and you've made a silly, obvious mistake. You've said 1 instead of 10 or whatever you've made, and you would like to update it. You can do editing as a creator, but you don't want to post another version of the film. You just want to do a small change to the existing film. You can do that on Vimeo, but not on YouTube. Here's an example. Yesterday, I posted this film of me cycling around. When I filmed it, I hadn't figured out how to get a shot from the front looking at me cycling. But today, literally 10 minutes ago, I've just got back, I mounted a GoPro on the front of the bike for this shot. But I can't update the film. I could re-edit it and repost it, but that's just boring. What I want to do, and what you can do in Vimeo, which you can't do on YouTube, is make little alterations, spelling mistake correction, a piece of commentary correction. How many times on YouTube have you seen a caption that comes up and goes, oops, I meant to say? Because there's nothing you can do to update a film once you've posted it apart from reposting it. Why doesn't YouTube do that? Maybe just give it as a blessing to top creators. I don't know. It can't cost very much. Keeping the same URL with a video update. Please. And big suggestion number 2. This is coming as a plea from a creator. Out there in the wide world of YouTube are keyboard warriors, often trolls. I don't really know what a troll is, but somebody who writes very quick off-the-cuff remarks on your film, on your channel. I notice that most people who make disparaging remarks about filmmaking, if you go and look them up and look at their films, they don't actually make any. But here's my big suggestion. When a new person opens a YouTube account, there is a cooling off period or a holding period of maybe 10 days or a month before they're allowed to post a comment. Now, why that would work is people have multiple YouTube accounts. I often get 6, exactly 6 dislikes instantly I post a film. It must be from one person, unless there's 6 people who know each other very closely, who has 6 YouTube accounts and goes dislike. You know, why does somebody have 6 YouTube accounts? I don't think that should be allowed, but maybe the way around that is when you open a new YouTube account, you can't instantly post a comment. That would just put people off making troll, keyboard warrior comments, trying to do it anonymously. And third, parlez-vous français? No? Well, they do here in France. There's lots of languages all over the world. Why isn't YouTube truly multilingual? Okay, you can get translated closed caption subtitles. They're quite good, but they take a few days to appear. Google? Google's massive. Come on, get your translation software sorted out. What creators really need and viewers really want is films in their language, dubbed into their language, a AI voice in French, in Italian, in Spanish, in German, whatever language, in Chinese would be fantastic. Think of how much wider films in any language could reach people in different countries. Is that too hard to do? I reached out to YouTube creator Yohan Terraza. Yohan is a French photographer. He's recorded this message for French viewers to tell them how they can enjoy my films in French. with subtitles and hopefully in the future with dubbed language.
Message à tous les viewers français, sachez que la chaîne de Prof Simon est disponible aussi en français. En tout cas, les sous-titres français sont accessibles sous chacune des vidéos. Pour ça, il vous suffit juste d'aller en bas à droite et d'activer les sous-titres et de sélectionner français. Et vous aurez accès à tout son contenu qui est vraiment hyper intéressant en plus et extrêmement pragmatique. Donc, ne vous privez pas d'avoir accès à ce contenu-là. Il n'y a pas beaucoup de chaînes en France qui font ça. On a la chance de pouvoir avoir accès au contenu de Simon avec les sous-titres. Donc, si vous ne comprenez pas l'anglais, ne vous privez pas.
Thanks, Yohan. And check out Yohan's excellent channel. Number 1. Please let me update my film, keeping the URL. Number 2. Restrict keyboard warriors and trolls who opened a new account to not be able to post a comment for a few weeks. And number 3. Can I please speak automatically in French or Spanish or German or Chinese? Welcome to 2023 YouTube. Thanks for watching. What would you as a viewer, or if you're a creator, what would you suggest and tell YouTube who might be listening that they could do better? I noticed that their whole search algorithm is different now, possibly messed up. I don't think you're getting notifications from my channel because it's all to do with how they organize the homepage. Also, they tend to want creators to stick in a niche subject. So if I do a UFO one day and then an electric bike the next day, they don't know how to list it. YouTube does listen, and they are continually changing the algorithm, which is kind of frustrating for creators. But listen to feedback from myself and other creators and you, the viewers, because YouTube, the truth is out there.